Hello darlings, for today's video I'm transforming into Shego from Kim Possible. To start, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 6, which is a soft black color. Her brows turn upwards at the front, so I'm creating that shape and then filling in the rest as usual. Next, I'm cleaning around the edges of the brows with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5 to make sure they are super nice and sharp. Then I'm tapping the same base all over my lids to prime them. I'm using the Bperfect Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette today and dipping into the bright green shade called Ecstasy. I'm applying this all over my lid and into my crease using the Sigma E33 brush. Next, I'm picking up the other green shadow called the Hype and packing this on top of what I just applied in order to enhance the color a bit more. For the inner part of the lid, I'm mixing two greenish gold shimmery shades from the Palettopoly eyeshadow palette by Beaute, and then it's time for eyeliner. I'm starting with a regular wing using the Tynt Beauty Phantom liner. This liner is super easy to work with and very pigmented. I'm creating a graphic liner look and drawing a line following the shape of the crease, connecting it to the wing in the outer corner, and then I'm adding circular bumps to that line. I'm also using some nail dotting tools that I got on Temu to add dots in a variety of sizes above the liner. After that, I'm starting on my face makeup and priming with the Benefit Porefessional Hydrate Primer. Next, I'm applying foundation. This is the City Color Be Nude Foundation in the shade Nude 101. For concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 20 in, which I'm setting with the Ultimate Brush Off Powder. Now I'm dipping into the City Color Cheek Me Out palette and using the bronzer shade to contour my nose and one of the blushes to add a light flush of color to the cheeks. I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks with the green eyeshadow from the Bperfect palette, carving the lower edge with some powder, and bronzing my forehead and chin with the same contour shade from the City Color palette. For highlighter, I'm dipping back into those shimmery greenish gold shadows from the Beaute palette, and then I'm setting everything in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Moving back to the eyes, I'm adding a matte cream eyeshadow called Pillow Talk to my inner corner and sweeping the green shadow onto my bottom lash line. Next, I'm adding a double wing to my inner corner with a point at the tear duct and a line connected to the lash line. I'm applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion to the waterline, connecting it with the liner, buffing that out and blending with the green shadow. To finish up the eyes, I'm curling my lashes, applying the Urban Decay Wild Lash Mascara, and adding a pair of Eco Lashes by Ardell in the style Good Good. After that, I'm tightlining with the Perversion eye pencil and adding mascara to my bottom lashes. For the lips, I'm concealing my bottom lip and setting it with the Mehron Colorset Translucent Powder. Then I'm going in with black lipstick by Bone Idol and applying this to my top lip, keeping the Cupid's bow rounded. I'm also drawing a line along the lower edge of my bottom lip. Now I'm going in with some water-activated face paint by Mehron to draw the top of Shego's suit. I'm just applying the green shade from the Paradise AQ Pastel palette all over my neck, then I'm taking the black shade from the Basic palette to draw a circle in the center. With a very small amount of the black paint, I'm filling in the circle to make it gray and setting it with the colorset powder. To get into character, I'm adding Ttdeye mystery green contact lenses and a long black wig from Amazon. And that completes the Shego look. Let me know if you grew up watching Kim Possible in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!